Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. First of all, I just want to apologize if you guys hear that noise in the background. We're actually having a thunderstorm. We are in the middle of, the ending of July, and we're having a thunderstorm. But I wanted to start putting out some fall content, but I have not yet gotten like a fall theme or anything for this year yet. So I'm going to just be uploading some of my recent fall videos from last year and a few years back, and just to kind of give you guys some ideas and everything like that. And then come September is when I'm going to start dishing out all the brand new fall content. So definitely subscribe, double tap that bell so you receive all of that new notification. So let's go ahead, get into this video, and hopefully you guys are inspired for the upcoming fall season. Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decors, and lifestyle videos. I do also do cleaning motivation. So if that's something that you are interested in, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe, becoming a part of our family here on YouTube, and definitely double tap that bell. So today I am going to be decorating my living room for fall. And y'all know I already did some cleaning in there, so now I'm just going to go ahead and change out the drapes, add all the pillow coverings, and just some little fall touches here and there. So I am super excited about it. Grab some hot chocolate, a hot cup of coffee, something to snack on, and enjoy the video. I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get decorating. Okay guys, so this is the vase that I told you guys about in the last video. Y'all, this vase is so heavy. It is huge. It's like half of my body's size. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace and it was for free. Okay, for free. The handle was broken, and it seemed like they glued it back. And I had my daughter take it out of the car for me, and she pulled the handle by accident, not realizing that it was already cracked. So I have to re-glue it and do all the things to make it what I want it to be. And I'm actually going to show you a dupe for this vase. But y'all, it was a steal. Free? Oh, you know, I'm free all day long. So now I'm getting ready to do a just simple fall centerpiece for my coffee table. I don't do a lot on my coffee table because, for those of you that are new to my channel and don't know, that's my daughter Nyla. My daughter Nyla, she's 16. She has Down syndrome, and so she is like a toddler. Her developmental age is about a 1 to 2 year old. So she's literally going around the house and just tossing things, just taking things and throwing it. And so I normally don't put anything that can break on the coffee table because it's on her level, and she tends to go for the things that's on the coffee table. Though it's in a glass jar, she would never touch the centerpiece itself, but anything else around it that she can fit into her little hands, she will take it and toss it. So I normally just do a tray with a simple centerpiece such as this. So I love the way that it turned out. Always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point
makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong.
So y'all see me with all these pillows and blankets. Where am I going with all these pillows? Where? We can't even sit on the couch with all these pillows. So you will see me. I'm really just kind of trying to figure out the pillow coverings that's going to work with the overall design scheme. And you're going to see that I have a bunch of pillows on the couch, but later on, once you see the reveal part of it, it's definitely going to be eliminating some of it. So I love cozy. I love lots of pillows on the couch in the winter and the cooler months. In the summer months, I just like, 2 or 3 simple sets of pillows in clusters. But I love lots of pillows and blankets on the couch in the cooler months. That is so cozy and warm. So you're going to see me here just kind of taking a few pillows away as well. Y'all, let me know down in the comment section. Do you guys like to use a lot of pillows on your bed, on your couches? Because I do. And, sometimes I have to remember that I don't live by myself. My husband hates a lot of pillows on the bed or on the couches because he's a big guy. He's tall, so he can never really sit on the couch or the bed when there's too many pillows. But I think it looks amazing when there's a lot of pillows. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. Do you guys use a lot of pillows on your bed or on your couches as well? So here I am now just kind of decorating this little table, and my overall design scheme, like I told you guys before, is simple. I just want it simple but festive, and so I love these tones. I love the browns, the earth tones, the moodiness, the warmth, and oh my god, y'all, the coziness. I am just loving it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments.
Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a...
So now that it's not officially fall yet, but we are within the fall season, let me know, what is your favorite things to do in the fall? And do you guys do bucket lists? I normally try to do bucket lists, but we never actually do what's on the list. We always just find other things to do. But my favorite thing about fall is, one, obviously the food. I mean, hands down, the smells, the pumpkin everything, the pumpkin spice everything, and the food, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm a foodie, so food, yes. The coziness of everything, the house is just warm and cozy, and you're sitting by the fire. Like, I just love fall so much. I love when it's nice and cool outside and everything in the home is cozy and clean. And oh my gosh, I just love it so much. I love spending time with my family, doing game nights and all the good things that fall brings. It's my favorite season. Christmas is my absolutely number one favorite holiday. But the fall season is my favorite season, and I just love it so much. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. Do you guys do bucket list? And what is your favorite things to do for fall? And also, do y'all like pumpkin spice everything, or is it just overkill?
Of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
So if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video all the way through. It really does help me out so much, and it alerts YouTube that you guys are really enjoying my content, and then they send my videos out, recommending them to more viewers, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for your support continuously, for all of your wonderful and amazing comments and just the love. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that it inspires you in some way, that you've taken away something from this video today. I have stepped out of my comfort zone. I'm still in my earth tones and everything, but y'all, this fireplace is really I'm really tripping off of this fireplace because I still can't believe that it's such a bold shade. I am normally white on white. With earth tones, neutral girl over here. So I am so happy about it, and I'm going to do something different for Christmas this year. It's definitely a little twist, so y'all definitely want to stay tuned for that, and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, because it's going to be off the chains this year. Christmas is going to be a little bit different. So I know I'm already on Christmas, but thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.